My name is Dr. Kevin Kriesel. I'm an otolaryngologist, and I am a member of the Samaritan Health Ear, Nose, and Throat Department. I got an unconventional start in that I went to the military academy, West Point, and was commissioned an officer in the tank corps. So I was an armor officer for about 3.5 years before I decided to take a different route and go back to medical school. I spent 4 years in Dallas at UT Southwestern in my medical training, and then went to the University of Wisconsin for my otolaryngology or ear, nose, and throat training for 5 years. And then spent some time in Austin, Texas, and then again in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, before moving up here to northern New York to practice. And so I've been here in Watertown for approximately 3.5 months, and I've been very happy with the mix of patients. I have patients of all ages. I can see a 1-year-old, I can see a 99-year-old on the same day. But in particular, the proximity to Fort Drum and military personnel and military families, it's been very gratifying to serve them, but also the different pathologies and various things that we see on a daily basis make my practice extremely gratifying. I'm an otolaryngologist, otherwise known as an ear, nose, and throat specialist. And we are specialists in disorders of the head and neck, which, when you think about it, is fairly broad. So I will deal with masses, including cancers of the thyroid. We will diagnose and treat masses, including benign and malignant processes in the throat, pharynx, larynx. We will deal with chronic sinus and nasal disorders. And we will also deal with various disorders of the ears. I would say Samaritan Health and the Ear, Nose, and Throat Department at Samaritan is very well set up with a beautiful new office. We have state-of-the-art equipment. There's essentially nothing that we're lacking that a tertiary care center would not have in their office. So we have every scope available if necessary, and we have the ability to handle the majority of your problems. From a standpoint of a patient or referring doctor, I think they can be very confident that being sent to this center, they're going to get excellent care and they're going to be taken well care of from the minute they get to the front desk through seeing the doctor and any further testing or treatments they might need. Samaritan ENT is open to referrals. And depending on your insurance plan, you may or may not need a referral, but certainly we are open and welcoming to new patients. Samaritan Health, care that's as exceptional as you.